good, bro?
Oh my God.
Nah, I'm sorry I didn't get back to you, brother. I feel like, man, I crashed out for like 3 hours.
You know, fried chicken bring everything good, baby.
Look at
In
this.
All right, so moving on. Okay, so as you can see, this is an older trend. I don't know who caught this. I put this, I think this, yeah, I put this up earlier this week. This was a, that was 132 pip drop. So
Yes, sir.
the idea behind it is this right here. I'm gonna mark it out. All right. You got your A, you got your B, you got your C, and you got your D. All right, this is the Fibonacci sequence, and it runs over and over and over and over. When you guys are seeing me post in the screenshots, the little fucking blue line, this is what I'm talking about. This is how you can see what the future is going to do based off the prior Fibonacci sequence. So as you can see, the market went from A to B, it retraced to C, and then it extended to D. This is how the Fibonacci sequence trades. We go over that again. You got your A, your B, comes up to C because when it finds its B, you're looking for the highest high and the lowest low. Once it finds the lowest low, it's always going to retrace. It's looking for C at that point. Once it finds its highest high and it goes below and starts to fall, you know it's on a retracement and it's not going to go back up because it's on its retracement and its extension down to the D. This is where I make my money at.
Yep. That's
That makes
fact.
sense.
Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
The market is, and this is what I mean when I say the market is always going to go your way until it breaks the A. So when you're trading, all right, I always trade with stop losses and take profits. But I always set my take profit because I'm not a greedy motherfucker. I know I'm going to make money. I know there's plenty of opportunity in the market to make money. And I don't need to catch 20 or 30 pips to try to hit or take profit because the market might trick you, whatever. Here, in this case, it hit perfect.
Yep.
So that was a 161 pip takeaway.
This is like intraday swing trading, by the way, guys.
No, it's not. That's
Well, they're 160 pips. Yeah, they got to stay in that trade for a minute.
12, 16. Yeah, that's about a 3-day trade.
Yeah.
But I'll show this on a smaller chart for people that want to do fucking day trading too. It works the same exact way.
Yep.
Yo, Gio.
What's up?
So for the smart fib, what you're doing, are you putting from the higher high to the lower low, like right there? With each time it comes down, that's why you got the other smart Fibonacci's on the side.
Yeah. So this is the highest high and the lowest low. Let me move that out of the way. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do that. Highest high and the lowest low. Found its extension, or it found its retracement because the market always retraces. It's always going like this right here. This is the market. It always goes in waves. So, based off of that, it goes from C and then it extends down to D.
Right here.
So, what I'm doing now is, this is what I have these other ones for. Once the Fibonacci sequence completes, it then goes into the A becomes the C and the B becomes the D, and it just resets itself. So then you would trace out your highest high and your lowest low from this chart. Lowest low, highest high. And now, as you can see, it retraced. And now it's coming down. The market will always go your way until it breaks the A. What that means is this could potentially, this is not ready to get bought in for a sell. is not ready. One, there's a green indicator there for a bullish signal, an engulfing bullish signal. As you can see, it's highlighted.
Hey, is Freddie on this call?
I don't think so.
No, he's not. That's what
We
he was
invited
asking
him,
about.
but he hasn't come on.
Okay, yeah, go ahead and message him and see if he get on. That's what Freddie was asking about this morning, Gio. I told him that,
John,
once
Well, you
break,
didn't message
John,
me.
I'm recording it.
you say you're, who is that, V Money?
Yep.
Veronica?
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. All right, nah, never mind then, my bad. Go ahead.
Oh, you're recording this?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Only for the crew. Only for the
All right,
crew.
cool. So, do we have any prospects in here?
Nah. We don't gotta worry about prospects, big bro. Just show what you show. I'm about to drop some thoughts too, so let me know when y'all ready.
All right. So, as you can see, the retracement happened, and now it's on its way down to the extension. So if you got in up here, you're pretty much good for this trade. However, go into a smaller chart, the 30-minute chart. This is so this is or was a Fibonacci here. Then I would just retrace it, A to B, highest high, lowest low. Right now it's retracing. What this could potentially do though is instead of going this way or going down, and you'll know when it breaks the A, if it comes up here and if it breaks this right here, then you know that it's going to go the other way. Then all you do is switch around your Fibonacci, and you don't freak out, you don't get upset, you don't go crazy, because all the market did was basically a head and shoulders. Like, it's very easy to trade with this system. And then you just move it this way to catch the highest high going that way, and then you trade on the retracement and the extension. So what could potentially happen is this could go higher. When it starts to go low, though, and goes past this level here, you know it's on a full retracement to hit this extension. Make sense to everybody?
Yep.
You're looking for lower lows and lower highs when you're trading on a sell market. Does that make sense to everybody?
If you got questions, ask them.
Yeah,
Please.
ask them, please, guys, because this is going to be the way you actually learn this stuff.
This is how you make money.
Mm-hmm.
I got asked because of the consolidation at the bottom with the, middle.
Yeah, it's looking, this is where the bears and the bulls fight. I think if I pull up my smart pivot, it'll hit right there. Yeah, exactly. This is where the bears and bulls are fighting for control. This is what I like to call the battlefield. So as of right now, the bears are in control. However, once the bulls take over, because they're going to, because again, the NZD, the yen right now is very strong, and it's getting stronger because the US dollar is going down. And I'm working on getting my degree in economics, so I understand a lot of the fundamental pieces behind this. So it makes me even more, I guess, experienced as a trader because I understand how the world works. Not calling anybody dumb or anything in here. No disrespect intended. But I understand that the yen is very strong right now. And this is going to go down because the yen is not falling anytime soon. But this is people in the market just trying to push the NZD up, which it's going to fall. But
I have a question.
what's up?
So you wouldn't enter this trade until after it drops down below that B then, right?
No. So I will not enter this trade until it goes and starts making lower lows. Has nothing to do with the B.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah. If it starts to go higher, and I mean, I guess you could put in a sell here because you can catch pips, but I would wait until you see one of these or one of these. Because these are indicators that there's a major sell coming and approaching.
Yeah, engulfing bearish candle.
Yeah, engulfing bearish candles is what they're called. And with this software and this system, it highlights everything for you.
Yep, just hit the button.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is hit a button with the retracements and the smart support. Check this out, guys.
Cold-blooded.
It highlights the resistance and the support for you. So you know exactly where the lines are. Something else, my stochastic indicator points out that this is way above this line right here, which means that it's time for the market to fall again. And also, it's like approaching this Bollinger Band.
So 3 right there, just to confirm, I guess.
Yeah. So it's gonna fall. Mark my words. Like,
Yeah.
put it on me. Like this
I'm
market
eyeing that, baby.
fall.
I'm going to be in that.
It's gonna be 78, 79 pips taken Monday morning.
I'll take that.
Into Monday to Tuesday.
Pips for breakfast.
And this is the 30-minute chart. So this is the day.
Yep. This for like a scalper or whatever.
When I say, though, the market is going to go your way until it breaks the A, if you can afford to, I wouldn't put my stop loss. I'd put it about 10 pips above the highest retracement spot. So that way you're giving yourself area and for the market to basically move and fluctuate, because it's going to. Does that make sense to everybody? Do we have any questions?
Let it out, guys.
With the MTI stochastic, what's the difference between the regular one? The regular stochastic with the like 1433, or at least that's what I would use.
What?
The stochastic MTI, what's the difference with the regular one?
You mean stochastic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gio, did you make like your own measurements for the stochastic, or were those just the default ones?
This is the difference. Look how much more clean and cut it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
Over 80 is overbought. Under 20 is over sold.
This is the difference, because this is the regular RSI that most people see. It's just way more clean and cut.
I agree. Oh, yeah, he's dropping some sauce, y'all. I'm just letting y'all know. Just letting you know.
Well, I mean, my idea behind
That's
this is
why I'm home from work, y'all. This is
my
why
idea behind this is to make traders so you guys can start making calls, and I can go, okay, let me check this out, so that way I don't have to look at the market all day long. So, and it works on any chart. So let's go to the European US dollar, because that's my favorite one. Be on the lookout. Take notes, though, because you're looking for a lower low, and once it hits a lower low, it's on the extension down to the D. Let me go back to the 4-hour chart.
Can you guys see his screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me see.
All right.
So the trend is still. Let me take all this stuff away. The trend is still. Fuck.
Wait, you're still on NJ.
In a downward trend. Like the overall trend. So it's a very good assumption that it's going to continue to go down and follow this right here. And this is literally what it's going to look like in layman's terms, because it's not going to be pretty. Let me take this out of here. Let me take this out of here. Let me take this out of here. It's not going to be pretty because the market doesn't move pretty. But this is a smaller extension here for the smaller time frame, because the bigger charts, the bigger time frames reflect what the lower time frames are going to do. So if you ever are wondering if the market's going to go up or down on a 5-minute chart, check the hour chart. It'll tell you what the market's going to do. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yeah.
All right. Let me roll this out here. You got your A, you got your B, You got your C, and then it's going on the extension down to the D. You see that, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
And this is literally how I make my money. This is how I trade. This is how I call my shots. That's how I do everything. Because this one still, this one still is going down. But it's retracing for a smaller time frame Fibonacci here. Yeah, because it still has room to go up. But this shows it going down as well. So this is another indicator. Because as you can see, it's clearly going down. Like just look at the past here. Like history repeats itself. It always goes up out of the bounds. It always goes down out of the bounds. Up out of the bounds, down out of the bounds. This is why my trading is so accurate, and this is why I've won 147 trades now out of 3 losses. York, why are you smiling over there, bro? Am I blowing your mind right now?
Of course you are, bro. This is amazing. This is amazing. Amazing.
All right. You can also put in time zones to depict where exactly it is we're going to go. So let's see right here. So this is a day. This is a day. This is a day. This is a day. So based off of what you see here, come Monday, because this is the weekend, this is why this is like this, we're going to be sitting pretty Tuesday morning. 100 pips.
Yo, I'm not putting no trades on my until you say so. Dude, I swear to you.
Hey, Kurt, this is recorded. He just put in the chat. Missing part of this. So this is recorded. I'm sure Veronica will just drop the link so everybody can see.
Yeah, and please go through the training. Go back through it till you can understand it and it makes sense to you. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. But like I said, I'm not going to do one-on-one trainings unless it's like with people directly in my team, because it's a lot of time.
I understand.
24 hours in a day, and I can just get on here and do group calls with people. And I got no problem doing that.
Guys, I can record this, right? Or no?
Yeah, I just said it's recorded.
Let me go over to my favorite. Anyone, give me a chart that you want to watch.
USD yen.
Which one?
I got one.
USD yen.
USD N?
Yen.
USD JPY, right?
USD JPY.
Hey, Robert.
Yo.
Can I make like a small clip of this?
I'm tracking.
Yeah, of course. Use this for social media. Let people know. That's what we want.
I'm tracking this one. I'm already tracking this one. You see that shit? Boy. So right now, it's headed for an extension. Or I'm sorry, it's headed for a retracement. This is on the 4-hour chart, so this is a pretty big difference. Yeah, it's about 200 pips.
Oh, baby.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna just put that thing on there and hold and just
Eat.
let's get it, man.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in that one.
There's UJ. Okay.
Yeah.
This is USD JPY. Take notes, take a picture, do what you gotta do. And by the way, guys, we hold these. We're gonna be holding chart talk, basically every night.
Every night.
Every night. Oh, that's what's up.
The idea, my goal behind this was to make people money. And I'm sorry, but I'm trying to just market a system that most people don't know even anything about is not going to do them any good, especially when they have no results. Well, if I can prove to people and show people, hey, you're able to get on this call, get on this chart talk with me, make $100, $200 by the end of the night, you're sitting pretty. You take that to your friends, you share that information with them,
Get that word out.
tell them, hey, You're not only plugging in. The idea behind this is not to only make money from iMarkets Live. That's just the residual for being a part of the system. The money comes from trading. Problem is, there's not a whole lot of traders in this team.
Right.
A lot of network marketers.
Mm-hmm.
So my goal is to make a whole lot of traders. So let me see. I'm just gonna put that there. I'm gonna move this here. A is there. C is gonna be somewhere up here, and then the extension is down here because it's gonna come up into the red. And again, it's color coding. It's color coded. Red to red, blue to blue, green to green, because it can hit these extensions. It can retrace all the way up to this point. The market will go your way until it breaks the A. So this is A. All right. So you would want to set your stop loss way up here because it's going to fluctuate. It is on a 4-hour chart, though. You don't really have to worry about that. But as you can see, it's pretty on point. And this is going to be about 200 pips.
We got somebody asking, can you just go over the color coding again for the fibs?
Sure. Why didn't they just ask me?
Some
All right.
people might be busy or whatever, so they can put in the chat. So
okay, I got it. I don't see the chat. I don't know why. All right. Yeah, I can go over it. So color coding: red to red, blue to blue, green to green, black to black. So your black to black is your A to your B. This is what I mean when I say the market will always go your way until it breaks the A. Once it breaks the A, it's broken that trend, and it's going to start going the other way. So all you do, if that happens, is switch the Fibonacci to the other side and wait for it to retrace, then catch the extension going upward. That's what we call a head and shoulders.
black to black, A to B.
So it can retrace all the way up until this point. Once it hits a lower low, though, you know it's already retraced. And what I mean by that is, I'll show you on this chart here. Because this was one and it went down. All right. There we go. All right. So what that means is, once it starts to hit a lower low, I'm going to zoom in. It went up, started to retrace, went past this level here. This is the highest high, or this is the highest high. This was the highest high, actually, because this is the latest buy candle. So once it hit and went past this point, you know it's on a retracement because it made a new low. Does that make sense to everybody? So that would be the point to get into this entry. And then you could take your take profit here, which it went a little bit further down, which is fine.
You don't have to be greedy.
But this is the one that I'm watching right now, is this one here. Because right now it's on an extension, as you can see. So this is another trade that will be fulfilled. So this is right now, this is in reality basically 300 pips that I've called, and it won't even be Tuesday when they close. So does anyone else have any questions or want me to go over any other chart or think anything?
Gino, I see that someone asked about explaining the color coding. I had walked away, so I don't know if you saw that question.
Okay.
Explain.
When it retraces, this is the retracement area. This is the extension area on the Fibonacci sequence. Anywhere in the red, it's going down, baby. Anywhere in the red. If it retraces in this area and it goes and hits a lower low, it's going all the way down.
Okay.
If it hits the blue, it's going to extend down to this point. If it hits the green, it's going to extend to this point.
Oh, I didn't know. Okay, I didn't know that.
Wait, can you repeat that real quick?
Okay. Wow.
Damn.
Okay.
Say that again.
Yeah, please repeat that.
That's good shit, Gino.
Thank you. So Anywhere in the red, this is retracing right now. This is retracing, coming up. Anywhere in the red, bam. All right, anywhere in the red, let's say it goes up to here, okay? This is for example purposes. It's going to extend to here. If it retraces up to the green, it's going to extend to this point and then complete a new Fibonacci sequence. So this would be the end. If it extends, if it retraces past the A, then that pair is broken, the sell is over, and it's starting on a buy.
This is cheating.
Yeah, it is like cheating.
I love it.
I'm like to say, like, oh, how do you
It's
not win?
cheating. I built this software to help.
Gio, I'm joking, bro. I'm just like, this is crazy.
Yeah.
Sausage.
Oh, I'm about to use the fuck out of this.
Yeah, right?
Does that make sense to
You're
everybody?
excited there, Robert. Everyone,
That
I'm
makes sense to
excited.
everybody. Anywhere in the red, if it retraces in the red, it's going to the D. I mean, it's going to the red.
I like those.
Mhm.
Robert Casa.
But if it goes above the A, then it has broken and it's going to start on a buy. However, comma. However, comma.
Gotta put that in.
Insider data shows that the U.S. dollar index is going to go down to 0.60
Mm.
mid-March,
Wow.
mid 2018. So it's got a long way to fall because right now it's like let me go into my U.S. dollar index. here.
No, the US dollar is so weak right now.
This is what
I
I
wonder
use.
why.
I wonder why
There's
too.
gonna be some sauce too. I use
He open his mouth.
This is what I use, fxstreet.com, to be able to check the fundamental news of the markets and what's going on. And
Yeah,
this-
everybody's sorry.
FXstreet.com, I missed that one.
Everybody save that, and they also have an app on your phone.
Oh, I'm downloading that right now.
Forex Street.
Thank you, Robert
All
Costa.
right.
Do that.
Yeah, they do have an app. I have the app too.
All right, go ahead. Sorry about that.
Costa?
Did you know about this before me, Rob?
Yeah, actually, I did. I saw a dude who was mentioning it about this website, and I checked it out. And like the news is like they do like up to date news. Like as the pair is going, they'll let you
Yes.
know. Like, all right, boom, it's legit.
So this is how I know that it's coming down to 2018. Let's just go right here.
FX Street Forex News, the FXS, that's what it says.
Yeah.
Okay.
0.69.
FX Street. Yep.
Got it.
Yep, I got it.
Oh,
0.69 by mid 2018.
Wow.
Right
Ain't
now,
it great to be an American?
right now, this
Right
chart.
now, we'll make a lot of money off of that anyway. So.
yeah. It's like a double-edged sword. Like,
Yeah.
but he's gonna make me money. So, and we can share this with people and make them money too. So,
Mhm.
Right now, this chart is at 0.91. So by mid 2018, this is going to be at 0.60. That means all of the other markets are going to be on buys
Wow.
Wow.
or sells, depending on if it's against the U.S. dollar.
yeah. Like the U.S. dollar holds what 85% of forex, basically.
Yes. So very important to know. That's how I more so am able to understand what's going on here, because the European against the JPY is not happening. It's not happening. So this is going to continue to fall. This is pretty much, I can't say guaranteed because nothing is guaranteed in trading, but this is fucking definitely guaranteed to fall to this point next week.
Oh my god.
Jeez Louise.
Because it's going against, the US dollar is going against the yen. It's not happening.
So
Get some
the
Vegas
retracement.
money.
So catch these pips, people. Catch these fucking pips.
Oh,
That's
they-
money on the table.
Monday to Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
I'm
UJ,
awake.
NJ
At
guys.
minimum, really, because if you think about it, long term, it should be dropping. It might retrace some, but it will go
Let
long.
me go to a larger chart.
Let's go to day.
Boom.
see where this baby's going.
Vegas is gonna be so lit. That's all I gotta say.
This is Vegas money, baby.
Vegas is gonna be so lit.
All the way lit, for real, for real.
Yes.
All right,
yes,
you guys are gonna love this. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, so here's the trend.
The trend is your friend.
This is the trend. All right, it's on a downward trend. High is high.
Low is low.
Low is low.
Oh my God. 306.
What is this paper pip? Wait a minute.
308, I think.
308 pips?
Yep.
Wow.
This is that swing. This is that
Wait,
swing.
what?
That's 308 pips over a course of about 5 days.
Y'all better make sure your accounts are funded for this one. I'm telling you right now.
I'm ready.
I just
Hey, I'm gonna be ready for real, for real.
I just
Oh
a
my
whole
God.
new account just to ride this one out. A whole new live account.
You're gonna give the trade, Gio?
Yeah, but I wish I would have gotten in up here.
I did.
We'll ride it all the way down because that's gonna be 423 pips.
I've been watching this one for.
I know Allison's still in it, so she about to cop.
Yeah.
I know you see it.
Mm-hmm.
Shh, Robert,
Right.
stop it.
Hey, you already said it earlier.
Yeah, I've been pretty
You
much
got the
in,
juice. Don't worry.
So this is another indicator. Again, this stochastic RSI is the shit. 'Cause look, I got 3 indicators telling me where the market is going. Like, this isn't even like, this is clockwork.
Yeah.
This is anytime, any place, anywhere. Any trade, anything.
Gio, whenever I
over-
do meet you, whether it's
Let's
Vegas
go to the
or somewhere
Bitcoin.
else, a round of drinks on me.
Let's go to Bitcoin.
You heard that, right, Gio?
This is what I'm watching, and
I
I'm
don't think you did. I'll say it again.
considering putting a 165 and letting it ride. All right, so this is on Bitcoin. It went to the retracement, and it's on its way to the extension. Check this pit. Check this out.
Oh, Lord.
Man,
Good lord.
that's 405,010 pips in a matter of about 10 days.
What?
Wait,
This is why
what?
people do crypto.
It's on retrace. It's going what?
405,000?
Yeah, okay, it's crypto, guys. So it's,
Oh
it's
yeah, so you got to bring it down. So about 4,000. Yeah.
416,025.
So 41. So that means it'll be 40,000 pips.
41,000.
Or 40,000 or 4,000 pips.
41,000 pips.
41, right? Golly. Well, I've been in on Bitcoin since 11, like since 11. So it's heading up there already. It's going back.
This is a dangerous game, though, because if it goes the other way and you don't got the money to fucking hold it, it will blow your whole account. This is why I say be careful, like trading on.
yeah, no swing trading on cryptos.
No. Swing trading is good. Because
No, but I'm Gio. Most of the people here, no.
No.
Oh, I'm attempting it.
You gotta look at your audience, bro. No.
Oh yeah, no. Right now, let me just do this for shits and giggles so people understand the power behind the Fibonacci.
Clear it out and start from the make it. Oh well, it's already there. So
A to B. This is the retracement. It went down into the red.
So how do you know to put it on that third red line right there that you just?
That's the lowest low.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. It's just the lines, the Bollinger. I didn't see them. Sorry.
That's where it stopped.
No, it's not. It's got nothing to do with the Bollinger. It's the lowest low of the candlestick.
The candle. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Look where it stopped, and then boom.
Mm-hmm.
It's already on the extension.
Wow.
9 times out of 10, it's not going to switch in the extension. Like, here's a perfect example. This is like a prime example here. And this is on Bitcoin. Went down, retraced, extended.
I see it. Wow.
However, it broke the trend. This is what I mean by when it breaks the trend. Because you're looking right now, the C, you guys understand what I mean by the C becomes, the A becomes the C and the B becomes the D? You guys understand that?
The back,
No.
the reverse, the reversal, right?
No. So I'll explain it here.
It broke the blue.
No. A, B, C, D. All right. Once the Fibonacci sequence completes, your A becomes
Just
Because
C.
the T, okay.
Your B becomes the D. I mean, yeah, your B becomes the D. So then it switches. Now, what happens is sometimes the market does a head and shoulders, which it did in this case. So it broke the A. It went above the A. The market will always go your way until it breaks the A. And this is what this literally means. I can show you here because it's happening live. The market went, it did not, fuck, I got way too much shit going on here. Sorry. There we go. Let me get rid of that too. Sorry, I realize I'm trying to explain shit with all this fucking shit on the screen. All right, there we go. Everybody see that?
Yep.
All right, so instead of retracing, it went ahead and broke the A. So what did it do? Your D becomes the A, and this is your new B. And now you just follow the buy.
So there would be a retracement down before going back up.
Yeah, which it did. This is the retracement here. It's already done the retracement.
Guys, they think of the retracement like a gun. Like if you cock back to shoot, it goes the direction that it needs to go. So always think like that.
No, the retracement is pulling back for the
Right.
extension. It's like bouncing a ball.
Right. Pulling back, you cocking back, and then it shoots off.
Every time. The main thing to understand about this Fibonacci is A, B. Once it finds the highest high and the lowest low, it goes up. Once it starts going up, it's finding its retracement. Once it finds its highest high for the retracement, it then finds its lowest low, which is going down to the D. That's where you want to, this is the major part of where I make my money from.
So it would matter what red line it would retrace on.
Here you go. I'll move this over. A to B, C. Oh, I gotta go back in time. Sorry. There we go. There we go. All right. A to B, highest high, lowest low. Finds the lowest low. There we go. It retraced, finding its new highest high. As long as it finds it in here, it's going down to the D. As you can see, it found its highest high in the red. So you're color coded, red to red. If it found its retracement in the blue, it's going to the blue. If it found its retracement in the green, it's going to the green. Does that make sense? Does anybody have any questions?
Makes perfect sense.
Perfect sense.
And then once it reverses into a buy, then you just reverse the pattern.
Please ask questions. It's very important.
I think it's important you show a buy as well.
Yeah, I was gonna say because I'm getting the sell, but I want to see what it looks like from the buy version.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of that.
Yo,
Me too.
before you move that, which numbers are we entering as the take profit, stop loss, and what do we enter?
Okay, so for this particular one, your
Yeah.
take profit would be, I always go for, well, that's a fucking difference, but
Yeah, with Bitcoin it's different.
yeah. Let me go to a more regular people chart.
A normal chart.
This is how you make millions overnight. I'm just saying.
Nice.
This is how Johnny Pips pulls $737 on a morning in 5 minutes.
Johnny Pips.
All right.
Is he done eating or what?
No, I think he's still eating.
Okay, so this is a prime example here. Perfect. All right, so there's a Fibonacci right here. Highest high, lowest low. All right. It's found in a spot here. So this is on a buy. This is what y'all wanted to see. A to B, lowest low. So I always set my pip take profit spot not directly at this line because I'm not greedy. I'll set it 20 or 30 pips below that line.
Yep.
If
you don't know, oh God, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
In this case. So as you can see, it's the same exact thing for the buy. You're matching the colors, except it's flip-flop. So instead of being up here, matching the retracement, A to B, B went down to the C, it fell in this area, so it's on its way up to the D. That's exactly what happened, as you can see. Can everybody see that?
So on the buy, you begin from the lowest low then go to the highest high. Or
Lowest low, highest high. It finds its highest high, then it retraces, finds the lowest low, and then it extends.
Yeah.
You trace in the red, so
if it goes in the red, it's going to red. If it goes in the blue, it's going to the blue. If it goes to the green, it's going to the green. If it goes past this point, then the pair is broken and it's on a sell.
Yep. A to B is black. This is black.
Wow.
I'll explain that.
This is so simple.
I'll explain that because it happened here. I can explain that because it happened here. So this is exactly what happened. All right. It retraced. Let me get rid of this. Oh man, this is like perfect because I can explain all these different scenarios in real time.
Sauce alert.
Are you guys learning? Please tell me you're learning.
Yes,
Oh,
we
for
are.
sure.
We
Big
are.
time. We so appreciate you. Trust me.
Yes, sir. Can't wait till
Right.
Sauce alert.
Here we go.
Sauce alert.
It wasn't a buy. This is your A. This would be your B. Instead of retracing, it never retraced. Instead, it broke up here. So it started on a downward trend now. Makes sense to everybody?
I know some of y'all had
So it
to.
doesn't matter because it's no longer in these bars. It's no longer in this limit here. So therefore, it's not going to retrace. And instead, it's going to go the other way.
Sauce.
Getting ready to start a buy.
Oh, hold up. There we go.
A sell.
There we go. I'm sorry. I marketed it wrong. So it went outside this level. So therefore, yeah, it went outside the level. So therefore, it is now on a sell. So you just flip around. You flip it around, and you go the other way with it. Now it's finding its retracement. This is not going to. This is not going to. This is not going to retrace. This is not going to sell because the US dollar is going down. So therefore, the European dollar is going to go up. And on top of that, look right here.
And to go up.
Time for it to go up. Exactly. Yep. So this is going to break. And this is basically consolidating right here.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It looks like it's consolidating in the higher time frame.
Yep. This is on the day chart though, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. This is my favorite chart, as you can see.
And
So
you got low spreads too?
this was earlier today, or earlier over the course of the last day or so. I was actually, who was I giving this to? I gave this buy to Robert. I gave this to you.
Yeah, I was in the chat.
I gave this to you. I gave this to John. This is the one that John made fucking $300 off of yesterday. This right here. This is what he bought the retracement and made $300 off of this.
Wow, did I miss that damn call, yo? There'll be others. There'll be others.
We were waiting. He took it all the way down to this point. So we were waiting for it to retrace. And what did it do today? Boy, what did I say? 100 pips? Robert, you were on that call. What did I say? 100 pips? I called it.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine hit.
Were you on that call too, Veronica?
Yep. Because you did it earlier in the evening, and I was only there for the beginning before I gave you guys the link. And then y'all kept going, but I listened for a little bit after, and then I got off. I plugged in. I set my stop loss, take profit, and I went to sleep. I woke up, and it all hit.
You were like, thank you, Gino.
I was like, thank you, Gino. Yes.
So lowest low becomes the new A. Highest high becomes the new B. Right now it's retracing, and it's going to extend. Please take notes, people. This is like free pips right now. Fucking another 75 pips on Monday and Tuesday. So right now, if you're following me and you're following these notes, it's about 300 pips, and it won't even be Tuesday.
EU, NJ, and UJ.
So, Gio, do we jump in the market ASAP first thing Monday?
No,
Nope.
you gotta wait for the retracement.
You gotta wait for the retracement.
Right, okay.
Unless you want a big drawdown, big fella.
No.
What's up, y'all? Hey, what's going on?
Is that Freddie?
Freddie.
We'll wait for you, Freddie.
Yo, check it out. Freddie, can you get this high?
Freddie, Chastity, what's up?
Freddie.
Hey.
Freddie.
Hey, you know he dropping that sauce, boss.
I know. I just got the memo. I got the memo pretty late.
I'm
but
like messaging you.
You
like
get this
crazy.
buy. I told you as soon as it
we gotta record it. So you get it.
Yeah, I'm recording it. No worries.
Oh, you record? Oh man, y'all, I love y'all so much. That's what's up.
Freddie.
Yeah, but I'll make sure you guys understand this. I'm gonna have it as not a searchable link. It's just gonna be a link that we share, so we can keep it within the team, because this is valuable information. We want to be able to.
Cool.
Freddie.
What's up, Gino?
Freddie, did you get this buy? This was the extension I was telling you about last night.
Yeah, I caught that buy.
Yeah, we're making money.
We're making that money.
All right. So this is next Tuesday. Next Monday into Tuesday, because it'll be Monday to Tuesday. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About a 13-hour time frame.
Do you think
13 hours
and hit that 1.2 area, that second support?
Here?
Below it.
Paris on there. What's up, P?
Hey, what's good, fam?
I didn't know you was on here, man. P, you catching that sauce?
Hey, P want that sauce. I ain't mad at him.
Paris, I didn't even realize you were on here listening to me. Listen, man, I've been
He's
following you. I got a lot of respect for you, and
I appreciate you, man. I actually messaged you on here earlier, like about 30 minutes ago, so let's connect after this call.
Oh yeah, we can definitely do that, man.
Yeah, definitely, man. I appreciate the value you're giving, for real.
I'm building. That's what I'm here for. To just, I think that a lot of people don't understand how to trade, and when people know how to trade better, IML is gonna grow.
Yeah, I couldn't.
For real. Yeah.
You're right, Gino.
Paris,
Right.
you're gaining some knowledge from this call.
Say that again.
I said, hopefully you're gaining some knowledge from this call.
Oh, yeah, definitely, man. I always come to learn.
Always be a student.
Always be a student. That's
So
how
it's retracing right now. I mean, you could get in this and follow the retracement. What I would do though is I would not set a take profit. Instead, I would just put a stop loss. And as the market moves down by 10 pips, just move your stop loss down 10 pips.
Parallel stop.
So do you think that it will go to a certain area? The main reason I'm asking because a swipe was called on this trade down to about where the second, a little above where your second support line is. So the S2.
14 days free, so you have to.
Down here?
It was 1.23 to be exact.
You have to pay.
1.23. Oh, okay. So not way down here, because this is my second support line.
Oh, I'm sorry, 1.223.
Also, like I said,
Yeah, it was 1.223. My fault. It was 1.223.
That's even lower.
Way. That's a sell. Way down here?
Yep.
That don't make no damn sense.
Wait, what was that? That was a call?
Yeah, from the great wealthy himself. That's why I'm asking.
Well, this is my issue with that because I took a UCAD that was literally going the opposite direction, and I really lost a good amount.
All right, so hold on a second, because I mean I got the sauce.
I have a name with one of those swipe trades too.
On
Let me
GN though, he
deal
did
with all that.
cash out this morning, Veronica.
He what?
I said on GN we did cash out like stupid this
Yeah,
morning.
it went dumb crazy.
No, not GN. Not I made a lot of money on that.
No,
So I was talking about UCAD.
UCAD. I lost about $200 today.
Holy mackerel.
Hold on, it didn't hit the stop loss though.
It went completely the opposite way though. Completely.
You gotta make sure you respect the stop loss given at all times. Because it dropped right before the market closed.
The market will always go your way until it hits the A, and then it will go the other way.
Exactly.
That's like trading 101. I say that like a million times a day now.
I'm gonna say it 100 million times a day as well.
I think I'm on here like a million times saying the market will, because people keep asking me like, where's the market going? I'm like, the market's gonna go your way. It breaks the A. What does that mean? Well, now I'm on here explaining it. So Paris, I'll be honest with you, I do not see how that's possible. One, because the US dollar is continuing to fall. And if that was the case, the euro would be on a sell, which
Yeah, I agree. It's not. I don't think EU is going on a sale anytime soon.
So what I would do, my guys, is I would wait until you see
I don't know if they're gonna charge you the 320.
an engulfing buyish candle, and that will give you an indication, a huge indication that it's going to extend. At that point, I would buy the candle after this.
Okay, cool.
If not, and if it decides to go down, I don't see it happening, because the trend here is a buy. And even this right here, like, it's still going up.
Hello, my baby. Hello, sorry.
This shows it's still going up. Once it breaks this resistance, this is going to change though, and this will be at the lower 20.
I would just draw this out, just wait for the retracement, and the retracement will tell you.
Yeah. Use the tools here. Anybody have any questions on how to use this software? You can actually go in here and I can actually take pictures in here and put them in the files. I can do a chart alert, and I can add an alert for a certain time frame for when I want to know.
Some of us are call levels.
Yep.
For call levels.
Yeah, there's an app that we have that gives us a notification straight to our phone when it goes and it hits a certain price.
I can go in and write a script, a smart script.
Okay.
So what is the smart script, Gio?
That's very functional, actually.
It is.
Yeah.
It is basically where you can put trades on automation. So once it hits, let's say, the retracement, this system will go ahead and buy or sell automatically.
That's very cool.
Oh my God. No, he's not.
That's it. It's over.
You got your product list?
But you
Gio, you an evil genius, bro.
Yeah, for real.
Thanks.
He said thanks. Sit on not
Thanks.
But yeah, you can run scripts. You can go in and change the theme settings. So if you don't like this color, you can change all the colors.
Yeah.
All the different indicators.
Yeah, I'm gonna use that. That's live trading, you said? What website is that? Oh, Smart Trader. Okay.
All these different indicators. The only ones I use though is the stochastic RSI and the Bollinger Bands and the Fibonacci tool. That's it.
When using this, I'm gonna just use what you use. I'm good.
Yeah, where is the stochastic RSI indicator? I was looking for it earlier. I couldn't find it.
It's called the MTI stochastic indicator.
Is it in like a different tab or something though?
No. Let me just exit out of this one and I'll pull it up again.
You can search.
Okay, yeah, because I didn't think I could find it earlier. I was looking for it because I seen on your chart. I just wanted to check it out. Okay, just search it. Okay. Cool.
Paris, I don't see that going on sale, man.
Yeah.
I don't want to call him wrong, but
I feel you.
Paris, get me in being a swipe trader, bro. I called
Yeah, I got you. Hey, I'll work on it.
I've called 450 pips. I called 450 pips yesterday. I'm calling 450 pips basically before even Tuesday.
Gio, you need your own app.
So basically, they're going to need a test period, but we can talk after this, get something set up.
Because they've all been spot on. Like I made fucking Johnny Pips fucking $300 in 30 minutes. I made fucking Freddie King. Tell them your results, bro.
Yeah, we can go ahead and start getting stuff done.
We caught like 250 pips the other night, man.
I definitely put the word in for you.
Yeah, man. That's what
Gino, Felicia has a question. She's asking, can I see how you put the bars on the charts? Do you drag or tap to extend it? I don't exactly know what that means.
Awesome question. Driving, I wanted to put that in there too.
The bars, you mean like the engulfing candlesticks? Or the Fibonacci bar, the Fibonacci.
All right, let me do this. I'm gonna
Can
open
you
up.
clear this whole thing out, Gino, because it's getting really messy up.
Huh? Yeah, I can clear it all out and start it over. By the way, with this system, you can add as many charts as you want.
Oh wow!
I can add a new workspace altogether.
What chart I was referring to was the ABC thing. I was trying to put it on my screen, and it was hard. I didn't know how to drop it or extend it, and it was small.
Are you doing it on your cell phone?
No, I was doing it on my computer. I'm out now. I have to pick my son up. That's why I just typed it
Okay,
in
I'll
the
explain it. All right, so real quick, I want to go over this real quick. So this is your basically your buying and selling by market indicators. So I put all of these on
That I gave him, didn't take it to Saturday.
because these are super helpful. Like this is telling you where the market's going, basically. As you can see. Everybody see that? Anybody got any questions?
No.
This is definitely on a retracement right now, though. I just don't see it breaking. A good way to know that it's on a retracement definitely is it's going to come down and then it's going to go higher. So when you're looking for a retracement, you're looking for higher highs. That makes sense to everybody?
Yes.
If it doesn't make higher highs and it continues to fall, then be on the lookout for it to go past this level. But if it could retrace even up until this point. 100% possible. So it could very well come down to where Wealthy Pips was talking about, way down here. And then it could retrace. just given the trend, I just don't see that happening though. And we were talking about the ABCD tool. So this is basically how this works. You click on it, you move it with your mouse, you let go of the mouse, you move it down, you click on it again, then you move it up. And that's it. Pretty simple. Pretty self-explanatory. Anywhere in here though. If it does come down to this point, then it's going to extend up to this point.
Boom.
Color code.
Goes to the green and goes to the green.
Color code. It's so simple. It's so easy. Anybody can plug in and do this. And this is what I want. It's duplicatable.
Yes, it is.
I got a question, Gio.
What's up, man?
All right. Depending on the time frame of the trade, how long do you how do you know how long to stay in a trade? Like, say you take a trade on the 4-hour chart. I've heard that you stay in it from. Go ahead.
Bueno, por ahora, quiero mi queso con.
This is a good indicator too. This is a really good indicator that I just don't see that happening. Hold on. So this is still trying to find. Oh wait. Maybe I just made myself sound like a retard.
Did you get that though?
Hang on. Yeah, I did. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm gonna move this away. This might be a call.
Please take your time.
So this is the lowest low and the highest high. It has broken. See, this is where I just don't see this happening. This is a perfect example of the market switching, and then you have to move the Fibonacci. So see what happened? See what happened here? So A to B, it went outside this level here, which means that it's on a buy now instead of selling. Does that make sense to everybody? That's very important to understand.
Yes, it is.
It reached the black, so it reversed.
Please let me know if anybody does not understand that. You can't retrace this.
Can you just repeat it one more time?
Okay. It was on a sell. Like the major trend line was on a sell. However, when it retraced, when it was supposed to retrace, instead of retracing, it went above this line, and instead of retracing, it's on a buy now. So instead of the market, I'm just using this for trend analysis, not actual A's and B's. See what I mean?
Yeah.
So instead of going down, it's going up.
Right.
So right now on the 4-hour chart, which we're looking at, it's looking for, I believe this is the highest high, because this is a really good indicator that it is the highest high. And this is being able to understand the candlesticks. Does anybody have any questions on candlesticks? How to read a candlestick. This right here, major indicator that there's about to be a sell, because not a major sell, just a retracement sell, because the bulls were pushing the market up, but in this hour the bears were pushing it down. Same thing here. Let's go back a little bit and I can explain this. Prime example, here's a bearish engulfing candle. So another wicket. It's the wickets, because during these times, basically, the bears and the bulls are fighting for control. So what happens is the bulls bought the market up, but the bears were pushing it back down. Since they pushed it back down 2 candlesticks for basically 2 hours, the market's gonna fall. Not very far, but just to look for the retracement. So I believe, with an educated assumption, that this is the highest high and this is the lowest low. The retracement is going to be somewhere, and this does make sense now that I'm looking at the larger chart.
What's good?
Down in here for the main ride of the D extension. And that's going to be 165 pips or so.
In the money.
Guys, if I mute you, please keep yourselves muted because I'm just spotting anybody who has a lot of background noise happening, and I'm making sure that the video that we're recording here is fluid. So just an FYI.
Hey,
Everybody
Mike.
understand that? That's another. That's probably going to be later on. Let me see what the time zone is for that. I can literally tell you when this trade is going to happen. 4, 8, 12, 16, 24. That's 1 day. 4, 8, 12, 16, 24. That's 2 days. So by Thursday, this will be whenever it retraces. So this is some pip takeaway here. This is about probably going to be like 44, 45 pip takedown for the retracement. Like he was talking about, the 2-3, the one that Wealthy Pips called, and then the extension, because there's no way that the U.S. dollar is going to beat the euro this week. No fucking possible way. Anybody got any questions?
I agree with you, though.
I mean, if you put it like that.
Yeah.
No, based on the news, too, it's true.
Yes.
I read about it.
Mike.
Tariffs? Really?
Does anybody have any questions? Write in the chat or unmute yourself. Ask your question, then mute yourself.
Yeah.
I'm giving away fucking
I just
what,
need-
500 pips this week, this coming week? 500 pips?
Somebody has a question.
Shit. Okay.
No, I was just trying to find out the way you was reading the candlesticks. I was just trying to really kind of understand that particular setup.
For engulfing candlesticks? Oh, by the way, something else y'all want to consider. For every single time the market moves up and you're in the take profit limit, move your stop loss up 10 pips.
Say that one more time.
So for every time the market goes up, move your, especially when you're above, like well above the take profit limit or the stop, your actual buy spot, your order spot, move your stop loss above that limit. That way, even if you close out, you're still gonna profit.
Visually show them that if you can do that.
All right, I'll place a buy and then I'll explain it. Oh, I can't because the market's closed right now.
Right.
I'll explain it though. So let's say I'll do it with a trend line. I love this fucking system, man. I love all you guys. Right.
We love you too.
We love you too, man.
So let's say it goes to this level here and it retraces, okay? This is the stop line. This is where we bought in for the order to go up. All right? We're going to change this fucking trend line. We're going to use a horizontal ray for this. All right, let's say our take profit is up here. And let's say that where the market is at is up here. All right. Let's say the market is here. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop loss because the market's up here, or this is where we're at in the market. I'm going to move my stop loss here. So that way, even if the market falls, I'm still going to be in profit.
Keep some of it. Yeah.
Exactly. It's not about getting rich off of one trade, guys. It's about building your account and compounding.
There you go.
You don't need to take the whole piece of a pie in just one trade.
Right. That's good.
You got your whole life.
There you go. Can't get greedy.
So much sauce.
Sauce.
Nugget.
All right. So hopefully you guys took notes and took a lot away from this training. I'm sorry the market's closed, so I can't show any actual trades.
Well, why don't you, is there any way to just kind of mess around? I know you're not familiar with crypto, but let's do one that's a little slower moving, like LTC.
John, Gio, can you check Tron for me, please, if we're going to do crypto?
Sure.
Is Tron.
What's the?
TRX.
TRX, yeah. The bottom one.
There you go. That's Tarzan. Well, no.
No, that's not it, right?
That's not
And
it.
you gotta have it against something.
Yeah, so it's BTC.
It doesn't do TRX to USD, right? No, right?
I don't think so.
They're still adding stuff to it. This is a brand new system.
True.
Nobody knows about this shit, man. I'm not telling anybody.
Do it with Ethereum. ETH.
The USD.
And no, in Tron. Tron, man. Yeah, I got money.
Just do a simple pair like LTC USD.
Yeah. Well, LTC, Litecoin's better when we do that because Ethereum's also really highly, LTC is a little more mild in comparison.
True. It's the lowest of the four, I guess.
Yeah.
That's still 100 pips in a 4-hour time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Do a 15-minute chart.
Look at those.
Wiki. It's been consolidating for some time.
Wow.
Looks like keep going up.
Pips for days.
Come on, man.
Retraced. The extension is going up.
Yeah.
100 pips. 103 pips. Somebody want to get in on that? That's a call. That's a trade that you can do now.
Right. You can get on that right now.
Oh, I'm already in. So
what?
I'm about to get in.
Wait.
I'm about to get in.
What? Because I do not have a bit. And I want to.
Yes.
Which one?
I use
Somebody
JFX.
Somebody asked for it. Is it the buy? I said yeah.
JAFX. Yeah, this is a buy, guys. From this point, though, right where if you're buying in right here, that's a 50 to 55 pips. I wouldn't set it right at the take profit. I'd set it about 10 pips below. But as y'all can see, that's clearly like a Fibonacci right there. And this is on the 15-minute chart, so that's going to hit very quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, on MetaTrade, where the heck you find the?
You gotta add it. Do you have JFX? Do you have a crypto?
You have to have the fucking JAFX. I'm about to fucking make my account with that one.
I don't have it.
I think that's the one I'm gonna do my.
You gotta add it, York.
I think that's the one I'm gonna do my my $1,000 account with. Oh, just for the record, everybody in here, I'm starting a $1,000 account, and I'm gonna grow it. That's the one I'm gonna use for Chart Talk. That's the one I'm gonna use for pretty much all my calls now, and I'm gonna try to grow it to 10 grand by the end of the year, or by the end of the month.
I don't think trying is going to be the hard part. I think
Yeah.
you got that pretty much handled.
Nah, see, I don't like risking a whole lot. Even though my trades are spot on, I still don't like risking a whole lot.
You're smart. That's why.
Yeah, of course.
If I was risking a whole lot more, my account would be fucking $1 million. It's coming though, because I'm gonna learn fucking Bitcoin.
Yeah, after that sauce,
one fucking day.
Saucy. My Bitcoin's already in profit.
Really? I haven't even found this shit, man.
I just do a 0.01, just do 1 cent. Call it a day.
You're in Bitcoin right now?
Yep.
On what chart?
Let's see.
The one that you just pulled up, right?
Yeah.
LTC USD.
No, I mean like I'm in the trade.
On LTC USD, right?
No, on Bitcoin. I have been messing with it earlier.
Oh, sorry.
And I saw it rising because I also have Coinbase, and my Coinbase for my own, like I own some Bitcoin, so I have it on alerts when it starts to go up, so I don't have to like really watch it. It'll just like let me know, hey, we just hit 10.5, etc. And I just leave it alone.
I want to get this dude on my team.
Can you X out my message? Thank you. You shut out my phone number. Hey, I mean, as long as people call me to join, I don't care.
This guy's a part of 3T Network, which is basically crypto trading and things of that nature. But you can do all of that with this. Plus, you're plugged into a community with people like me. And I'm not trying to I'm not bragging on myself or anything. But I mean, it's pretty clear that I know what I'm talking about. So, trying to get people involved. And that's what I tell people, especially for prospecting now. I tell them IML is just the educational platform. You're gaining a community that's going to make you money. The residual is just IML. I don't need to be a part of IML to make money. I just want to serve and help others, and I figured this is the best way to do it.
First you serve, then you rule.
Yeah, man. The role, that's the goal.
God. Let's see.
Okay, so anybody have any questions?
No.
Got 23 people in here. Any questions? Anything you want me to look at, go over?
Pretty dope, man.
I just want to start messing with it now.
Right. I'm about to look at these cryptos and be like, what's good?
Ooh, my BTC is flying. This is nice.
You're gonna keep really? You're gonna keep rubbing it in? I still can't find it.
You didn't add it?
Hey, is that the MetaTrader 4 connected to the FX or Fed the FX choice? Is that what he's connected to?
I use JAFX. I don't know.
I'm about to start using JAFX.
Okay.
JAFX is about to be my best friend. Because I can't trade crypto on Trader's Way.
Yeah. I think I'm about to do the same thing, Gio. Just put all. I have Trader's Way too. I like them because they have low spreads and whatnot. But
after what Ramon was telling me about crypto last night, and that
listen, he changed.
About 22 people in here. We had a fucking mastermind of 4 people last night. Learned a whole lot about a lot.
A lot.
A lot of crypto, man.
A lot.
Crypto and trading, foreign exchange traders.
I like it a lot.
Yo, this thing gets me excited. I don't know. People think I'm crazy sometimes. I'm like, you don't understand. You call me crazy. Just wait till you see your account grow with this stuff.
Bruh.
That's what gets you excited. You know. They're like, it doesn't make
Well,
sense.
I mean, this is on a 15-minute chart in fucking 977 pips.
Good.
Crypto.
However, if it goes the other way, you're fucked.
Well, I do shorts. I do.
Yeah, you're probably gonna do tighter stop loss with this, maybe.
I just scalp it all the way up.
I'm going to a 1-minute chart.
Veronica.
Yeah.
All right. I'm on.
That's possible. That's doable. That I can do.
I'm on MetaTrader 4. I'm hitting the plus sign. I cannot find that Bitcoin stuff.
What do you have for your broker?
No,
No, LMFX doesn't use.
Yeah, it doesn't have it, bro. You gotta get JFFX.
No, you have to. Yeah.
JFFX is the only broker that does.
So this is what Johnny Pips was telling
One of the only.
Which one?
JAFX.
This is what Johnny Pips was telling me about last night. Let me put all these out here.
Oh, I got the other one. I got the LX, whatever.
LMFX. Yeah, that's exactly why I got JFX, because of that reason.
Oh shit! So I should use which one are we gonna use for that account, Gio? For the
Oh, I'm using JAFX.
It just makes sense because they.
Yeah. All right.
And I'm gonna be honest. I've been using JFX and I haven't blown my account since. So I don't know what it is with LMFX. But it was like really bad luck for me. I blew my account like 3 or 4 times. I changed the leverage, I changed everything, and I still.
To be honest, I'm on my second.
Wasn't the, see, the thing is, the charts don't trade with the brokers.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so that makes a lot of sense, dude. Because
All right, so this is something I want to explain real quick about Bitcoin and this particular pair here. If you look at it, as you can see, a red bar follows a red bar. A green bar follows the green bar most of the time. And it's fucking like, it's spikes.
I like this guy.
So if you can buy in on a spike, like this right here, this is a spike. This is a sell. I would get in on this on a sell right now if I was on JFX.
Damn it.
For like 1 minute, and then I'd get out. But in that minute, I would make 122 pips.
That's insane. That's what I love about crypto.
If you look at it, though, I ain't lying. Like, it moves in spikes. You get in on a spike, you're good. You're solid.
I ain't busy. I mean, I'm muted. I'm just listening to him.
Oh, yeah, look at that. I just called a trade on fucking crypto. What? Oh my God.
Get
oh my
Gina.
Lord.
Get him, baby, get him. Look, it's still going down.
That was live. That's on the recording.
Get him, baby, get him. Damn,
Did you
dude,
get
I
that,
don't have
Veronica?
that application.
Yeah, I did it.
Did that just make you money?
Yep.
89 pips. You're welcome.
When you feel like
Boss, that's amazing. Yeah, we're definitely meeting, boss.
He said we're definitely meeting.
Oh my God. I'll take that trip out there.
And dropping. And then it's going to move your stop loss down.
It's still going down.
Veronica.
Yeah, I'm
you're
watching.
sitting fucking fat right now.
Mm-hmm.
When you can, give me a shout out for the amount of money and pips you made off of this particular trade.
It's still going.
Please and thank you.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
The spreads go crazy.
Yeah, the spreads are crazy.
But again, like, look at it. Like, it always follows a red bar. It always follows a green bar. This is a spike. This is the perfect spot. Like, I saw that coming. I'm so mad right now.
Go to the 5.
I'm so mad I don't have a broker account. 500 pips.
Check
Jeez.
the 5 minute real quick.
So get the application, babe.
Gio, check the 5 minute.
I don't want to take my eyes off this one. Hold on.
No, I got to open an account. That's what it is.
Okay, so open that like.
Veronica, you're up 400 pips.
On the drop?
On the drop.
Mm-hmm. I only trade like a cent though.
It's going up. It's going back up. Careful.
Still, that's fucking.
That's amazing.
That's $45.
In what? In like
$45 on a 1 cent lot.
In less than a minute.
And it's still going down.
Oh my God.
In less than a minute, you made $50. Please give me a shout out to that shit. That'll bring prospects. Damn.
Oh my God, look at that.
Anybody else get in there? Anybody else get in on my trade?
Careful.
We out here making money. What I need prospects. This is what
It's going up.
All right, close that trade.
Close it.
I'm currently
Get
on the
out of that trade.
Wow, that was amazing, dude. Good call.
Get out of that trade. Yeah.
Good call, boss. You in Connecticut, Gio? Yeah, I'm driving out there. Fuck that.
I live an hour and a half away from you. Come out this weekend.
Now in a way, I'll take that. The train
Now it's spiking on the buy. Actually, what it just did was a Fibonacci. It retraced.
Check the 5 minute.
Look, check it out.
Yeah, I gotta meet this guy. I gotta meet this guy. ASAP.
It retraced. It's going.
Yep.
Watch it hit. Watch it hit on the fucking call. 794 pips. I'm just gonna leave it there.
You gonna buy?
Yeah.
I can't buy it. I don't have a JAFX account.
Me neither. You in it, Mr. Casa?
Yeah.
How about you, V? V. Veronica.
Sorry, I had it on mute. My bad.
You in this one?
Yeah.
On the
Well, the thing is that I got in a little later, so it's still on the negative, but it'll be all right.
Shit, yo.
Because I'm gonna ride it all the way up, anyways, to 15. So.
Dio, when you can check the 5 minute, I hopped in at 11:09 on the buy, so I want to see what you see using this strat. I use something else, Ikamochu for my strat.
Oh, Ichimoku.
Yeah.
That's a good indicator that the market's going to continue to go up too. Is the candle wick? The bears pushed it down, but the bulls are pushing it back up. That's on the 5 minute.
Paris say he's on the buy. He's still on that buy.
There it goes. There it goes. Watch it hit. Watch it fucking hit.
11-26195.
I don't make this shit up, man. Fucking crazy.
You need to get that JFFX now, bro.
I know.
I know, right?
617 pips in 5 minutes.
I don't want to do it on my phone. I want to do it on my computer, dude. Shit. I don't.
That's insane right there. 600 pips in 5 minutes. 100 pips. 125 pips every minute. Jesus.
It's easy money, but it's fucking risky as fuck.
Yeah.
Sorry, not a whole lot's going on. I'm not doing a whole lot of training. I'm just letting it do its thing.
Nah, you done enough.
Oh, you know what's perfect? If you're recording this, send me this recording and we can send this to prospects once they're already involved in the business.
Well, I think I'll send it, but the best thing for you to do is edit and take clips from it because it's fairly long. I mean, we've been on here for.
Yeah, I mean the whole thing is saucy though.
Yeah.
It's so saucy.
The go-getters will watch the whole thing. The ones that don't want it won't.
Oh, I agree.
I mean, even as the call started, like we were giving away value.
I hope everybody is seeing him first. Like when y'all friend him and follow him, make sure y'all see him first. Because we're missing out on so much sauce.
I also promote fitness too. I believe that fitness is a huge part of life.
I'm a health coach, certified.
Nice.
That's all I've
A
done.
month ago, I was a twig.
Renaissance
Now
woman.
I'm fucking.
I've done. I'm telling you, I've done everything.
Everything, girl.
For
You a
real.
real estate agent too?
I am not licensed, but I've definitely brokered. So.
I am.
That's definitely one I eventually want to get into too.
Everybody and their mom out here is a real estate agent, so it's kind of saturated.
Sure.
But it doesn't stop you from
Own
potentially
real
selling
estate.
a house.
Let's get into real estate, Rob. Let's go buy multi.
Let's get it.
Yeah.
Gio and Rob. And incorporate it.
Let's buy rentals. That's what I want to do. I want to get into rental properties, fixed income.
Yeah, that's what my dad does.
I'm looking for partners to do that with, man.
My friends are partnered. It's easier to do it when you're partnered because you can spread.
Look at that sauce, though. 200 pips. Veronica's sitting fat.
I'm just letting it go.
I don't really need to do. I just feel like real estate would be extra shit right now.
It's just nice to have
I
other.
just feel like it's a whole lot of work that I don't have to do because literally with trading is the only thing that. Paris, are you in this, bro?
Yeah, I've been in since 11:09.
Oh damn.
Yeah, he got that money for it. He can do that.
1109.
Yeah, I wish.
Man, Paris, let me get $1.
Like way down here.
Yeah.
Let me get the exact.
Motherfucker, hold up a second.
Showing
Jesus Christ.
11092.03. 11092. Sorry.
Paris, let me get some fucking signals on crypto, bro.
I got you, man. I go.
Why is his account frozen?
On one of these, I know Freddie, I believe Delisa have gone over it, but I go over it as well. That's what I use. But learning this is new. Is a double confirmation, extra confirmation. I'm gonna start using.
I'm glad I could give you some sauce, man. Like again, like I said, I respect you. I respect the shit out of you, bro.
I appreciate it, man. Likewise, respect is mutual.
I'm about to kick. Okay, someone's about to get kicked out. That's the third time. I don't play. Turn in and buy 45.
We're out here making money. There's a lot of people in this call. Hopefully, y'all are taking up the sauce.
Got 21 people.
This dude is outside getting yelled at.
Oh.
What the fuck? It's finding the retracement. This is what I fear though about fucking trading in crypto, because it's a 400 pip difference in 5 minutes. Like if you're not right, if you're wrong, say goodbye to your account. And you have to have the spread to be able to hold it.
If you leverage good with just 1 to 2 cent trades up to about $500 to $1,000, the risk is still pretty relatively low, even though the pips are large. Then once
Can you teach me that?
Yeah.
Can we get on one-on-one pairs?
Oh yeah, I got you.
All right.
I definitely need an overview, a quick overview of that.
Or a 3-on-1, whatever.
Yeah,
that's cool. I'll just hop on one of these Forex and Chills and go over it.
I actually want to do a one-on-one with you in particular, Paris, because I want to talk to you.
That'll work.
On the side. I know you mentioned you want to talk to me too, so.
Yeah, no, that'll definitely work.
I'm down. This is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. 5 minutes.
Yeah, that 5 minute is love.
And if you look at the market, guys, one candle going one way typically follows two. So trade for about 10 minutes and get out.
Paris, you got it on the cloud breakout.
Yeah, I got it on the cloud breakout on the 5, then it double confirmed on that hour, so I'm in that thing for the long haul.
Gotcha.
I don't understand.
Hello. Oh,
I'm down to learn though.
Yeah, I wish they added the cloud indicator on Smart Trader, but
bruh, that would be so amazing.
I just use
I'm sure it's coming.
2 different computers and just check them out. But nah,
Yeah, for now.
I definitely go over the cloud with everybody. Does anybody on here aside from Robert know what the cloud is or use it?
I haven't used it, but I want to learn it.
No, who does?
I can share my screen and go over real quick if y'all want.
Yeah.
All right, give me 2 seconds. Let me pull it up.
Yo, great job, Gio, with that presentation,
Yeah,
boss.
that was awesome. Thank you so much.
Amazing, boss.
Salute, bro.
You're gonna start?
Saucy Gio.
Right, no,
Appreciate
but be there.
Sauce.
You're welcome.
Sauce.
Same thing, you know, they
sauce for us.
He said sauce.
You're welcome. I also do Facebook ads and Facebook training, but that's something separate.
All right. So can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So the infamous Pokemon cloud, as I call it. All right. Go to how do I get to the settings? So
Is that predicting the future?
yeah.
Yes.
So you can see 26 periods to the left showing the future, which also shows how strong the confirmation of whatever your buy or sell is. So
So if I use this with Smart Trader, we in the.
yeah, it's a wrap.
Yeah, it's a wrap. That's what we're waiting on to him.
So you just go to indicators up there. You're gonna add I've already added it, but it's the Ichimoku cloud. And your settings are going to be this right here. So the conversion line, baseline, blue, lagging span, red, lead 1, green, lead 2, red. And then for the background colors, green and darker red. So I'll go ahead and screenshot this and I'll put it wherever. What? All right. I'll screenshot it after this and get it back to y'all. And then the inputs stay the same, 9, 26, 52, and 26. So I believe these are the generic default ones, but that's what happens. So if I go here, some people use 2 different ways, all right? You can use just the breakouts of the cloud. So the cloud, basically, this is what I'm looking for to make it as simple as possible. I'm not very technical in anything I do, whether it's trading, whether it's ads, whether it's whatever. When the green crosses the blue, all right, so I'm gonna go give you some, I'll write it down in the chat. What I mainly look for a confirmation is the green to cross the blue above or below the cloud. A breakout, meaning a candle has broken out and closed above the cloud. And this is what's called your lagging span. So when you're looking at those 2 things, you want the lagging span to also be above the cloud and not in it. And I'll show you some examples where all 3 things don't confirm. So as you see, whenever everything was present, so this closed above the cloud down here, but the cross hadn't been made yet. It was actually above, came down, then recrossed up. Now, at this moment, it was already above the cloud. The green crossed the blue, and the lagging span was out. So what happened? You got a
massive pip takeaway. That's what you got.
And if you held it all the way up to here. So when it comes to my stop loss, how do I get out of this? To my stop loss, I can, you can set one, but what I usually like to do is whenever it comes back and touch the price, the green line, I get out. So I would have rolled it up, it touched it, I would have been out. But you still had a good amount of
pips.
All right, so.
What's the pip takeaway on that, man? I'll just go back and look at mine.
Let me,
pull up the trading view, or pull up the Smart Trader.
No, he can just use the measuring stick right there.
Which one is it?
It's the one below the arrow. Right there.
All right, so where are you trying to look at? To
where you would have gotten out at.
Hold on.
No way. No fucking way.
Right
there.
Jesus, that would double my account.
That's 1,500 pips. All right.
That's $150 on a 1 cent lot.
Exactly. So if I'm doing now, It's messing around in the cloud. I was looking over like the last hour or so, and it confirmed above everything else. It had already broken out. The lagging span was already right here. Now you see we're just to the heavens right now.
Yo, it's going to the D extension right there. That's a Fibonacci.
Over the last hour alone, because I did so. You want to make sure that let me get out of this real quick. You want to make sure that the candle closes above. All right. So when it crosses, you want to make sure the candle actually closes. So when I got in, it was on this one right here because the candle closed, and now we're already up just about 2,000 pips. So 1,977 to be exact.
Nice.
Now, JFX, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I trade off of the 5 minute only. Like, crypto is very volatile, so you can blow it quickly if you're tripping. I still use max 0.04, max 0.05. So 0.01, 0.01 really is my suggestion. 0.02, it just depends on how much.
So if I was to start trading this with $1,000 account and I do a 1 cent lot, am I good?
1 cent lot? Yeah, you're good. I mean, max I would do for 1,000. Well, starting off, I would do 0.01 to 0.05. Just starting off. Because, I mean, I did a 0.03 and gained $300 in little to no time. All off trading this breakout. So this is the 5 minute chart. Now, we've already confirmed it on here. The reason I knew that this trade is going to hit even before I seen your analysis is because if I go to the hour, which like people who use the hour on crypto have
a lot of money.
Yeah, a lot of money in their account, but it just confirmed as well. So at the start of 8 o'clock, entered because of this confirmation, and as you see, we're up and away.
And do you know what the take profit would be if you take it all the way?
No, I don't even go off of take profit. I go off of
pip count.
Nah, trailing stop.
And
that's it. Because
if you look at the market, literally though, like it follows for more times than not, especially on the 5 minute chart, it follows. If it's a red bar, it's gonna follow a red bar. So ride it out for like 2 candlesticks and get the fuck out.
When it comes to Forex and crypto, the way I feel in general when I trade is I don't want to stop myself from profits. It's been plenty of times, I'm sure all of us have hit a take profit, then gone back and seen, dang, it went up another 100, 200 pips. If I'm going to get closed out, I want it to close me out. So I make sure that I'm always trailing my stop. And once you trail your stop, you're in profit. Now that you know you're secured profit, you can go ahead and focus on another trade.
Yep.
So instead of sitting there wasting your time looking, praying that it hits to take profit, once I have however much money already secured, that trade is null and void, and that lot size no longer counts to my leverage because I've already won. So now I'm focused on.
That's what I was explaining earlier.
And that's how I trade. So like this little drawback, it really doesn't scare me. Like this trade is going up. And as we look 26 periods to the right, we're heavily in an uptrend.
Wow.
Like this is the future. So
when you say periods, because I that's the only thing that confused me about the Ochimoki, whatever.
Bars. It's the candle bars.
Oh.
So it's 5 minute, each 5 minute period, 26 periods above. So.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's very cool. Very, very, very cool.
Yeah, so like I use this.
Man, with this and my fucking tool, bro.
Yeah, tell your people to add that, bro.
Game over.
Yeah, so this strategy pretty vicious. Again, I'm no guru. You understand? I'm no guru at all.
I'm no guru.
Robert, can you repeat what you just said, Sheila asked about the 5 minute?
All right, so the Ichimoku, like Paris said, it's 26 periods above, and then the lagging span, he's circling it right now. The little EMA in the background, that's the lagging span. It's 26 periods back, and it tells you 26 periods in the future. So it's basically 26 periods is each candle. So we're in a 5 minute chart. So they're basically predicting each candle 5 minute period where it would be. So as you can see, it's green. So it's in the buy territory.
Right, so I let it watch. My exit,
I'm sorry.
the strong exit would be. Some people wait till the new.
I don't hear. I'm sorry. Hold on. Go ahead. Say it again, Paris.
I was going
Somebody needs to get muted.
If
I
I'm
already muted it.
in profit, again, now that it's confirmed on an hour, I'll look at that too. So the uptrend is already confirmed. But say it was just a 5 minutes solely, no other time frames were confirming it. I would go ahead and catch quick pips. Once it hits the green, I'm out because I'm already still in profit regardless.
So you just move it, like what I was saying before, with moving the stop loss up or down.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, as it goes up, I would continue to watch this green mark because right here it's at 11. This is still 100 over where I entered at, 100 and some change actually. So make sure that's right. No, actually,
I really hope that people take the time to actually look at this video because it's golden.
Like really, it's like so much sauce, bro.
So I pay attention to it. If it crosses this and closes, I'll be out. Or I would if it wasn't. I'm gonna see what the hour is looking like. Yeah, knowing me, I'd probably stay in just to be honest because it's not only confirmed on the 5 minute. This hour is a lot stronger than the 5. And at the fact that this crossed and it's still going up, I let it ride.
Yeah, let that ride.
Yeah, that's me. So we'll see what the 5 minute does, but
well, look at what the candle's doing anyways. Woo, look at that. That's shooting up right there.
Yeah,
shooting right back up.
Shoot up and blow up past this. So
that's a Fibonacci right there. Just boom.
And see, the crazy thing is I have no idea.
Fibonacci.
Fibs.
Say again, Ferris?
I said I have no idea. I've never knew how to use fibs.
Me neither.
Man, bro. Harris, I just learned how to use the fib a couple days ago with this smart trading system because it tells you it's color coded and it pretty much tells you what to do and the way that Geo explains it, bro. He made this shit seem so simple.
Right.
Oh, my bad.
So in other words, everybody in here can cross at least 4-figure months trading if you haven't done so. For those who have,
I haven't, but this is going to be that month. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, I think this is the month.
This is the month.
Man, I'm not gonna lie, P. I think this sauce and this system, this smart trader, this will help speed up the learning curve of our newbies.
Yeah.
They don't know what engulfing is. You tell them to come to this system and click the button. It shows you which one is an engulfing.
It shows you the smart resistance. It shows you the support lines. It shows you everything.
Yeah, it does. So and the resistance on here is just the highest highs and the lowest lows. So I just think this can be an asset to helping our newbies get some money, bro. Make some money. In the last couple days, I have 3 teammates who've been profitable just from being on this call right here. One of these calls.
500 pips.
I've been making my bigger days because of it.
I called 450 pips yesterday.
Look,
damn near 400 pips today.
My newbie, her first day trading live was yesterday. She caught 360 pips. She didn't even know what she did. She caught 360 pips, 100 pips off 100 pips off 3 trades and 60 pips off another one.
Boom.
So she took 4 trades at 0.1 lot and made $36.
Was she in the call yesterday?
Yeah, she was on the call. The girl Allison.
Oh, good.
So it was our first day trading. So man, it was good. So I just see how this can help. This helped her build up some confidence to stick. Like she's seen the power in it.
Yeah.
She even started working. She went out and started prospecting. Got another person on the call. This right after that today. We was on the call earlier from the one we didn't get off yesterday. She had a prospect get on. Got another prospect closed just from being on this Zoom call. We make sure that anybody who has a prospect to get on this call as a prospect, you have to have watched the video. If you didn't watch the video, then we can't help you. So I just think this could be another way to help people close people throughout the week.
I don't want to give this sauce away to people that aren't already part of the business.
I love you. I love you too. That hurts, Brian. Good night. Good night. You're gonna go to sleep? No.
I don't want to give this sauce away to people that aren't already part of the business.
Okay.
Yeah, please don't.
Make sure you charge them.
Yeah,
Like
that's
the
what I
video
said.
file.
So they don't get the sauce. You know, we get prospects on. We don't have to talk about trading stuff like that or just new strategies. We got to make sure they get.
No, I do want to talk about that. I want to talk about trading to them. I don't want to talk about smart trader or any of that stuff.
Yeah,
But
that's what I
want to
mean.
talk about trading. I want to do a live trading.
Yeah, we can definitely utilize that. This as like training calls and a way to close prospects while we in the midst of already doing what we got going on.
Yeah.
You just get them to come in and see the environment. Like I think somebody had a guy on yesterday said, "Man, I've been watching for a while. I'm on a Zoom call. I like the environment. I'm gonna get started. I've been on this call for 2 hours. I haven't said nothing. Just listen to what y'all got going on. I'm gonna get started." Just because he was in the background watching what was going on. A prospect.
Yeah, once they see the support, which is key because everyone knows this is not an easy thing to learn on your own. Like there's people that I know who've been YouTubing for years. I mean, and they think they got it and they'll lose money and then they get discouraged. That's how I got some signups because of it. And I'm like, you guys can't do it on your own. There has to be a system. There has to be a method to the madness. You can't just jump in and think you without education you're gonna be able
And
to
I see and that's kind of like why I like the Zoom platform, because when a new person gets on, they can come on and see 100 faces, 50 faces, 60 faces. You can see faces. You can see the different demographics of the people, the different ethnicities. Like you can just see the difference, and you can know that, well, if all these people are working together, I fit right in. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
That's powerful. Somebody else can take over if they want. I just want to go over this real quick.
I appreciate that, Paris. That really helped a lot.
No problem at all.
Another confirmation.
Yep, we got all the confirmation. Man, we should all be having $1,000 weeks like ASAP. It should be rolling in now. We got all the systems. I mean, Gino then came with the game changer platform for us to use. The smart trader, man, it just made my life so much easier.
Mm-hmm.
I had all winning trades. Yesterday I lost like 2 trades out of like maybe like 8 or 9.
Yesterday was epic.
Yep, and I caught a bunch of pips, a whole lot of pips. I caught a whole lot of pips yesterday.
Congratulations.
Gino, my main man.
Best friends for life.
Best friends, man.
So I was about to say, my number is blah, 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 blah. Wait a second. That's not a good idea.
Yeah, I told you, man. You put yourself out here on our Retired at 365 movement, bro. You become famous overnight.
Yep.
You come over here and drop some sauce. You have everybody on friend request you. Be in your inbox. It's cool, man.
This is what I see. This is what I see on the Bitcoin and why I wish I had a JAFX account. This is why I kind of want to ask Veronica, can you put in a lot for me? Fuck, I'll give you the money for it.
I actually just opened a second one and I named it March Madness because this month is gonna be insane.
I really need a fucking account.
Man, open it up, bro. It takes 30 bucks.
Right here, live.
It doesn't take
Do it live.
You need a picture ID license or whatever.
I have it.
We'll just get started now. So
Yeah, just get started, bro. Because you gotta remember, you can fund your account.
Your screen is up. Careful.
Yeah. You put the screen down, but Gino, you can fund your account and trade and everything with real money, but just just
How long
until
does
you
it take to get JAFX approved?
It doesn't take much time. They're pretty quick. They did it quick with me. But again, you don't, in order for you to open a live account, I don't think you have to have all that. You can just open it and then verify it, because what they're more cautious about is withdrawals.
yeah, true. Yep.
So you can open it, and I mean, it's uploaded. It doesn't take much time.
You see where he's at right now? Upload KYC.
Yeah. I did it without a problem. I put a PDF right.
How long does it take to withdraw money from JAFX?
Yeah.
That's what I'm
did they change it? Because I didn't see that.
All right. I'm gonna
It's not fair. That's why I'm stuck.
go ahead and do that.
I'm gonna have to take a picture. Blah blah blah. could be making money. Bitcoin on the weekends, regular market, Forex on the
Yeah,
weekend.
before you can start trading, upload. Yeah.
You have to upload, right?
What do I need? No, we're about to be trading crypto tonight, bro. Paris, are you getting off this call anytime soon?
Yeah, I gotta buy this house for Vegas, but I'll be back on in a little bit though. I mean, I'm gonna be on.
I want your
Yes, sir.
I want your brain, bro.
Oh, you mean Paris?
Yeah, I mean, I'll still be on for a little bit.
Make me some bank tonight on crypto.
I feel you. We can definitely look at all the setups.
Because I'm gonna start this account with $1,000, and I'm going to start trading it tonight.
So I'll help you take it from $1,000 to $100,000. I need 30%. It's like, nah, but nah, I got you.
I gave you a system, bro. I'm about to grow your fucking team.
Yeah, I'm joking.
Damn.
Whenever you win, let me know.
I lit.
Yeah, we lit up in here, y'all. It's tremendous. It's
Is
about to
everybody a part of IML in here right now?
Yep.
Yeah.
You can't get this
Okay.
link.
I've been
You can't
checking.
get this link unless you are part of our.
I feel like the moderator right now. I'm like making sure that everybody is.
Hi. Yo, this is literally like, oh my god.
How many pips is that? That's a whole lot of pips.
1659. I gotta get in on that.
1,659 pips.
Off of a 1 cent lot, that's $165.
I am eating tonight.
I'm gonna be moving. I'm gonna be modifying that stop loss like a motherfucker. I'm not even gonna put a take profit.
Do you think it's gonna go all the way up to that 11,000 range?
You up in dollars, right?
Wait, say it again.
I do.
I didn't hear him.
He said he does.
Oh, you do think it's going
I
up?
said, how much are you up?
Oh.
Are you asking me?
How much dollar are you up?
Oh, like
Yeah.
$20, 20, $30 right now because it keeps fluctuating, so it's like moving around. Right now it's at 24.59. I only do my 1 cent, no more than 2.
Yeah, I do. I think it's gonna go up because it retraced and it's creating higher highs
Mm-hmm.
and higher lows. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all see what I'm talking about when I say that? Higher highs and higher lows?
Yep.
This is crazy. This is literally, the Fibonacci sequence is literally duplicatable in any fucking market.
That's insane.
Oh my god.
Oh Lord.
Oh my god. Oh good Lord.
Oh good Lord.
All right, I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back.
Ain't no leaving, York. Ain't no leaving.
What?
Ain't no leaving, bro.
Wait. I gotta open this account, dude. I'm trading with you guys today. I gotta open this account right now. I need this camera.
I'm literally gonna be on this call till like 2 o'clock in the morning. Like, yo, literally every night I'm gonna be on here.
What I'm gonna do, Gio, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop this recording and restart. I gotta stop and restart. I don't know if that's gonna help. Like, does anyone know how that works with Zoom? Because I know that if I stop, I don't know if it'll just save that and then restart again a new one. Because that's what I want to do. I want to keep a first half and a second half.
Yeah, when you I believe stop. I think I might be on exit of the call.
I'll be right back, guys.
Because I want to do that. I want to get just stop this one and then start all over because it's gonna get really long to be able to upload. It's gonna take days.
So that's what y'all want to stop, resume, man.
Yeah.
5 verse 10 or
I
whatever.
think that makes sense.
Just stop the